Welcome back. You're watching us here on Closing Bell. It's been an exciting last 40 minutes on the show. The market went to kissing distance of a fresh record high, perhaps aided by some sort of flows coming in on index rebalance as well. But moderating a tad bit from there, that doesn't take away from the fact that it's been a great session so far. 135 points on the Nifty, near 500 points on the Nifty Bank. Nimesh, as always, joins in with our favorite D Street Chatter segment. Nimesh, the last 3 days you've been saying FIs are buying, FIs are buying, FIs are buying. They bought and they bought big. What's the outlook for today?
They buy today as well. So you'll see
buys today as well. Okay.
Yeah, you'll see the number as well, I guess. There is FTSE rebalancing as well, so even that's going to help. But even outside that, I believe there is a basket buying, especially market at close basket buying. So I guess the last 20 minutes of trade largely could be attributed to that. There is a last half an hour rush for buying as well from the larger FIs. And now we are pretty much close to the all-time high. So maybe today, once I'm done with my link, or maybe Monday morning, all the anchors will be able to cheer the all-time high as well. So I guess anchors need to be prepared for that. But as I said, there is buying and there is aggressive buying in the large cap names. So that trend continues in today's trade as well. I guess from a sector point of view, the churn continues. So the insurance names are back in focus. Huge moves in the life insurance stocks today, and the private bank stocks are again supporting the market. So the bank Nifty has surged 1%, and a lot of the private bank stocks are buzzing in trade. The good part is there is interest out in the broader markets as well. That seems to be outperforming now, and there are a lot of unheard stocks which are now buzzing. So a sign of caution, but let's not take away from the fact that we are inching towards new highs, and there is this bit of momentum which is going on, helping the Indian markets for sure. If you remember, this week I've been saying for the last many days that there is a large sovereign fund who's looking to increase the India weight, and that's actually helping the markets to inch towards new time highs. And all of this week, what we saw was big FI buying in the cash market. All
right, Nimesh, just the thing that the minute you ask anchors to prepare for an all-time high, rest assured that the all-time high does not happen. So this time around, let's hope that no one prepares and the all-time high just happens.
Yes, I guess it should happen. Look, the way there is momentum, it looks like it should happen. So,
and for all practical purposes, we're at all-time high with the market cap and a bunch of stocks as well. But talking about stocks, what do you have on your list today?
Okay, so in terms of individual names, the first couple of stocks are the stocks where there were large blocks in the pre-open in today's trade. The first one is Kalyan Jewellers, huge move in that stock as well, big volumes. I understand the private equity investor was a seller in today's block, and some marquee FI names have bought. So the disclosures could be interesting, but my sense is some big names will get reported in terms of the buy side. So that's the first one. The second stock where there was a large block in pre-open was IIFL Finance. Even in IIFL Finance, the feedback is one large long-only FI investor was a seller in today's block, but at the same time, a leading domestic mutual fund was a buyer. So a fresh entry by a domestic mutual fund into IIFL Finance at these levels, and hence after that, we're seeing a surge in that stock as well. The third stock is Exide Industries. After a long time, a bit of surge on that stock as well, big volumes as well, and I believe the move is largely on back of a large selling from a domestic PMS seems to be out of the way, and hence we're seeing that big move in Exide Industries as well into this trade. And the last stock is MCX. Again, this is one stock has been seen a bit of a momentum, but big surge in that stock as well into this trade. I guess the big buzz or the anticipation in the street is maybe you will hear something from MCX with regards to the shift in the platform. So they've been working on the tech migration for a while now. Looks like that is pretty much around the corner, and hence that's the reason why the street is excited on MCX as well into this trade.
Okay, got that. We'll keep all of those stocks in mind. Nimesh,